This is the chicken fried steak. And I'm going to put this in the oven for a little bit, maybe about 30 minutes. I'll cover it and put it in there. Then I'll put it back in the skillet and, well, I'll make the sauce and then put it back in, but I'll come back and show you that process as well. Okay, I've put the chicken in the oven for a few minutes on 375 and let it cook a little. And I'm going to make the sauce. I put in some red onion, some green onion, a tablespoon of minced garlic, and a couple tablespoons of flour, a couple tablespoons of oil. Now, I am going to put in some heavy cream, and I'm going to put in a little Marcella wine, and I didn't measure anything. I've got a few mushrooms in here. I'm going to let this cook a bit, and then I'll come back and put in the chicken when it's ready to come from the oven. But this is what I have going on: a few mushrooms, some red onion, some green onion, a little bit of garlic, a little Marcella cooking wine, and a little bit of heavy whipping cream. Now, I didn't really measure anything, so you just kind of guesstimate, kind of eyeball it and see what you need for the amount of chicken you're cooking. And I'll come right back when the chicken is ready from the oven and plate it and show you what the chicken fried chicken looks like. I'll talk to you in a bit. I wanted to bring you back in and let you see this sauce that I made. Look at that. It's going over the chicken, and I will plate it and let you see. And what I didn't tell you is I had some leftover baked chicken, and I had chicken stock in the fridge. So I put about 3 heaping tablespoons of chicken stock. So this is green onion that you see in here. I can't wait to plate it, the chicken, and let you see what it looks like and tell you what it tastes like. This is the end result of the chicken fried chicken. Look at that. It is delicious. All of that goodness, chicken fried chicken. Please like, share, subscribe to my page, and tap that notification bell to be reminded of all uploads. Here you have it, chicken fried chicken. I will see you on the next video.